Alright, so you're trying to figure out whether Amazon Flex or Uber Eats is the better gig in the UK? Let's break it down. With Amazon Flex, you be stay a delivery driver for Amazon parcels, not food. You book ships, blocks, load up your car, and deliver multiple packages in one go. The pay? Around 13 euros to 17 euros per hour. But it depends on how fast you finish deliveries. No dealing with customers, no waiting at restaurants, just pick up, drop off, and go. Now, Uber Eats is all about flexibility. You log in whenever you want, pick up food orders, and earn per delivery. The downside, earnings fluctuate. Some days you'll get back to back orders, other times you'll be waiting, but you can cash out instantly. And if you're fast on a bike or scooter, you keep more of your earnings. So if you want structured shifts, reliable pay, Amazon Flex is your best bet. But if you prefer complete flexibility and don't mind the hassle, Uber Eats might be the better move. And that's it.